In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of your Loox reviews on Shopify in just a few minutes so everything matches your brand perfectly. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify admin. Before moving ahead, make sure the Loox Photo Reviews app is already installed on your store, since all review styling happens inside Loox. Once you're inside Shopify, go to Apps and open Loox. From the Loox dashboard, head to the Reviews section and click on Reviews widget. This area controls how your reviews look on the storefront. Select the widget you're currently using and click Customize. Inside the Customization panel, scroll to the Colors section. Here, you can change key elements like the review text color, star color, button color, and background accents. Use the color picker to match your store's branding, or try a few combinations until everything looks clean and readable. After selecting your colors, save your changes. Refresh one of your product pages to preview the updated review colors live on your store. If needed, you can always come back and fine-tune the shades. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of your Loox reviews, giving your Shopify store a more polished and consistent look. Happy customizing!